Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation, the custom homes, and the host of the Art of Renovation. Today I want to show you a really cool feature that involves some floating shelves and shows how they can really be a great meeting point for fashion and function. So if you take a look at these shelves here, the first thing is they're very practical, right? We have a great space to store some glassware and some decor. They also tie into the design of the cabinetry, so they match the colorway. In this particular case, we've incorporated some lighting to help provide some task lighting below on the countertop area, but also then it highlights what's showcased on these shelves. So they're a great way to really give you some storage space, but without making the area feel a bit smaller, which is really great, especially in some tighter areas. So in this instance, you can see that it keeps a nice airy feel, but provides some storage and also a nice display with easy access. So when you're thinking about storage in your kitchen, consider how do you want it to look, how easy it is to access the stuff that you're storing or displaying, and also how it contributes to the overall feel of your kitchen. In this case, we really feel like it's a great showcase of what can be done with a floating shelf and how it can tie into the millwork and the overall design around it. If you have any questions about a project you're considering, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can leave some comments below. I'm Paul from the Art of Renovation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.